Hello everyone. I'm Neelind, a recent graduate from UIT RGBV Bhopal. I've started my journey in Emertxe from back in September, and I have to say the course in which I was enrolled was very good. The mentors had always supported me throughout this entire course, and the placement team was always up for any question I had. Overall, it was a great experience for me joining Emertxe, and I would highly recommend anyone whoever sees this video to get yourself enrolled in it very soon. I got placed in Sharp Software Development India. It is a Japan-based company, and it has a great work culture. And I'm thankful for Emertxe for giving me this opportunity and helping me in my first step towards this career in embedded system and technology.